Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix terrible battery life on iOS 26 step by step so your iPhone lasts longer throughout the day. First of all, check battery usage and enable low power mode. For that, open the settings app on your device, then tap on battery. Here, you will see which apps are using the most battery. Now, if any apps are consuming usually high power, consider closing them while not in use. And while you're in here, toggle on low power mode. This reduces background activity like downloads, mail fetch and visual effects to help extend battery life. After that, go back to the main settings menu and tap on general. Here, scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh. Then, either turn it off completely or only allow essential apps to refresh in the background. And while still in General, tap on Software Update. Here, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS 26 version. Updates often include battery optimizations. After that, go back to the main settings menu and scroll down, then tap on Privacy and Security. After that, go into location services. Then check which apps have access to your location and set them to while using the app or never for the apps that don't need constant access. After that, swipe down to open Control Center and lower your screen brightness. Then go back to the main settings menu. After that, tap on Display and Brightness. Then scroll down and tap on Auto Lock. Here, set a shorter time like 30 seconds or 1 minute. And finally, restart your phone. This refreshes your system and can fix background processes that may be draining your battery. And that's all. By following these steps, your iPhone battery life should improve significantly. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.